Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about conditionals. So in order to write useful programs, we almost always need the ability to check conditions and change the behavior of the program accordingly. So conditional branching statement gives this ability. Python language supports different types of conditional branching statements. So we have four different conditional branching statements. The first one is conditional execution, that is if statement. And then we have alternative execution, that is if else. And then the third one is chain the conditionals, that is if, elif, and else. And then the last one is the nested conditionals. So coming to the if statement. So the if statement is the simplest form of decision control statement that is frequently used in decision making. So the syntax for the if statement is if whatever the expression we want, that is the condition we want, we can just type the condition here and then we have to place a colon and then we can go for the statement. So the colon is required at the end of the condition. So the Boolean expression after if is called the condition. If it is true, the intended statement runs. If not, nothing happens. So the if statement have the same structure as function definitions. So a header followed by an intended body. So if you use an if statement, when you place a colon, you have to give an indentation for the statement. So statements like this are called conclude statements. So coming to this, just look at the flow diagram. So you have the test expression, that is a condition. If your condition is true, it will enter into the body of the if statement. Else, that means if the condition is false, it will just come out of the if statement. So if text expression and then if the condition is true, it will just read the statement. Coming to the alternative execution, that is your if else. So a second form of the if statement is alternative execution, in which there are two possibilities and the condition determines which one gets executed. So this is what the syntax is. So you have if and then you have the condition, that is your test expression, and you have to place a colon. And if the condition is true, it will just read the statement. Else, it will read the statement here. So this is the flow diagram. So if the condition is true, it will enter into the body of the if. Else, it will just go to the else block. And the third one is a chained condition. So sometimes there are more than two possibilities and we need more than two branches. So one way to express this type of computation is a chained conditional. So this is just look at the syntax. If first condition and then if the condition is true, it will just read the statement. Elif is nothing but else if, and then it will just check for the next condition. If this condition is true, then it will read the statement. And then coming to the third one, elif, this expression 3, the third condition. If this condition is true, it will read the statement. Else, it will come out of the else block. So just look at the flow diagram. This is your test expression or the condition. If the condition is true, it will enter into the body of the if. Else, it will just read the expression in the elif. If the condition is true, it will enter into the body of the elif. Or else, if the condition is false, it will just go to the else block. And the last one is the nested conditions. So one condition can also be nested within another. So for example, we have checked whether the given number is positive or negative. So number is a variable. So I'm assigning a float. So this is not an integer, it's a float. And then it's an user input. Okay, so I'm going to get an input from the user. And then I'm checking if number is greater than or equal to 0. And then again, inside an if statement, if number is equal to 0, then 0. Else, print positive number or else print negative number. So here, I'm using if condition inside an if. So it is nothing but a nested condition. Thanks for watching.